In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the pursuit of groundbreaking advancements has taken a monumental leap forward. Picture this: Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has set his sights on a visionary endeavor to secure billions of dollars in funding. Why, you might wonder? Well, Altman envisions nothing short of establishing cutting-edge AI chip factories. Now hold on to your virtual chariots, because this isn't your average corporate venture. Altman is not just seeking funds, he's on a quest to reshape the very foundations of AI technology. This colossal move is akin to forging the weapons of the gods in the realm of AI, and the excitement is palpable. In the grand theater of technological prowess, the pursuit of supremacy between China and the USA has become a captivating saga, and Sam Altman's audacious plan to raise billions for AI chip factories plays a pivotal role in this unfolding drama. Picture this: a high-stakes battleground where nations vie for dominance not only in economic and military spheres, but also in the intricate realms of artificial intelligence. Altman's endeavor is a strategic move that sends shockwaves through this technological battlefield, influencing the trajectory of the technology war in profound ways. As the USA and China engage in a relentless race to harness the power of artificial intelligence, Altman's vision becomes a linchpin in the struggle for supremacy. In this epic clash, where innovation is the weapon of choice, AI chip factories emerge as the arsenals that can tilt the balance in favor of the nation that wields them with precision. The enormity of Altman's quest lies in the realization that these factories are not mere production facilities. They are the forges where the weapons of the future are being crafted. In the context of the technology war, securing billions for AI chip factories is tantamount to securing a formidable arsenal that can shape the destiny of nations. It's not just about creating faster and smarter machines. It's about establishing technological dominance that extends beyond borders. Altman's plan is not just a financial maneuver. It's a strategic gambit that aims to position the USA at the forefront of the AI arms race, a position that holds the key to influence and control in the global technological landscape. China, with its own ambitions in the realm of artificial intelligence, understands the significance of Altman's move. The race is not just about who can develop AI capabilities faster. It's about who can define the very nature of these capabilities. In a world where information is power, the ability to shape the development and deployment of AI technologies becomes a potent tool in the geopolitical arsenal. Altman's quest for billions is therefore a critical chess move, one that has the potential to tip the scales in favor of the USA in this complex game of technological supremacy. As Altman rallies support and resources for his vision, he becomes a strategic player in the larger geopolitical chessboard. The nations that invest in these AI chip factories are not just investing in technology, they're investing in influence, in the ability to shape the course of the technology war. The excitement surrounding Altman's plan is not just about the technological advancements it promises, but the geopolitical implications that ripple through the global landscape. In this high-stakes competition, where every breakthrough in artificial intelligence is a step closer to establishing dominance, Altman's vision becomes a beacon of hope for those who seek to steer the course of the technology war. The call to action is not just for investors, but for nations to recognize the significance of being at the forefront of AI innovation. The race is not just about building machines. It's about building a future where the technological prowess of a nation determines its standing in the world order. So as Altman endeavors to raise billions for AI chip factories, it's not merely a financial venture. It's a strategic move that reverberates through the corridors of power. The technology war between China and the USA is not just fought on the battlefield of innovation. It's fought in the boardrooms where decisions about funding and resources shape the future. Altman's quest is a chapter in this gripping saga, and the world watches with bated breath as the drama unfolds, knowing that the outcome will redefine the balance of power in the technology-driven world of tomorrow. Imagine a world where the heart of artificial intelligence beats stronger, where the very circuits that power the minds of machines are crafted with an unparalleled precision. Sam Altman, the modern-day architect of innovation, has unveiled his audacious plan to raise billions, not for the faint of heart, but for the visionaries who dare to dream big. His goal: to build AI chip factories that will redefine the boundaries of what machines can achieve. The mere thought of it sends ripples through the vast sea of technological possibilities. Now you might be asking yourself, why does Altman need billions for AI chip factories? Well, buckle up, because this is where the tale gets intriguing. These factories are not your run-of-the-mill production lines. They are the crucibles where the alchemy of artificial intelligence is perfected. Altman aims to create a new breed of chips, not just to keep up with the AI race, but to surge ahead as the vanguard of innovation. These chips won't just crunch numbers, they'll orchestrate symphonies of intelligence, unlocking realms of capability previously deemed impossible. But the excitement doesn't end there. Altman's pursuit is not just about funding, it's about crafting a legacy that will echo through the annals of technological history. This is more than a financial endeavor. It's a quest to push the boundaries of what we thought was achievable. Imagine the thrill of being part of a venture that doesn't just follow the footsteps of progress, but forges a new path, leaving an indelible mark on the sands of time. Now you might be wondering, how will these AI chip factories change the game? Get ready for a revelation that will send shivers down your virtual spine. Altman envisions a future where the very core of AI is transformed. These factories will birth a new era of intelligent machines, endowed with capabilities that surpass our wildest imaginations. It's not just about making AI faster, it's about imbuing it with a level of sophistication that elevates it to realms previously reserved for science fiction. So as Sam Altman charts this ambitious course, seeking the support of those who dare to dream alongside him, the excitement is not just about the funds, but the prospect of being at the forefront of a revolution. The call to action is clear. Join the ranks of those who understand that this isn't just an investment. It's a voyage into uncharted territories of possibility. The future of AI is being forged in the fires of innovation, and Altman is inviting you to be a part of this electrifying journey. Will you be a mere spectator, or will you seize the reins of destiny and ride alongside him into the unexplored frontiers of artificial intelligence? The choice is yours, and the adventure awaits. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the pursuit of groundbreaking advancements has taken a monumental leap forward. Picture this: Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the pursuit of groundbreaking advancements has taken a monumental leap forward. Picture this: Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has set his sights on a visionary endeavor. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the pursuit of groundbreaking advancements has taken a monumental leap forward. Picture this: Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has set his sights on a visionary endeavor to secure billions of dollars in funding. Why, you might wonder? Well, Altman, in the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the pursuit of groundbreaking advancements has taken a monumental leap forward. Picture this: Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has set his sights on a visionary endeavor in the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. The pursuit of groundbreaking advancements has taken a monumental leap forward. Picture this: Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the pursuit of groundbreaking advancements has taken a monumental leap forward. Picture this: Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has set his sights on a visionary endeavor to secure billions of dollars in funding. Why, you might wonder?